Uh, uh, Went from these down. We went down like 10 bucks, so
Campbell once at Newcastle United with Carlisle. He's now gone on attack. So from 4-5-1, more likely 4-3-3. Rochdale need to County need to do something here to rescue this, because in the first half they were pretty much even Stevens got behind that goal by Morgan Ferrier. Now they need to kick on. Otherwise, they are going out of the cup just as Johnny Webber did 7 years. Yes, Jonathan, thank you very much indeed. Chris Wise is at Clarence Park Stadium. That's an Oldham City against Carlisle United.
Tell you what, Jason, Jonathan's not the only one with Why is it crashing? Because it's absolutely teeming down here. When I first arrived earlier, beautiful sunshine. Now very wet. Carlisle at the moment inside St Albans penalty area, but it's been cleared away. I feel really for the St Albans and Carlisle supporters, because most of this ground doesn't have a roof on it. It's all terraced and they're getting absolutely soaked. No chances in this second half so far. We've played 2 minutes of it. Carlisle have just won themselves a corner, and we're watching two sides that are bang in form at the moment. The hosts are on their best run for 11 years. They've won their last 6 games in a row, and Carlisle have not been beaten so far in League 2.
that landed. Prince is my baby. He's scared.
In the away end, how football should be. Wolf Harry, half-time at Anfield.
Liverpool 3, Watford 0. Jurgen Klopp's side completely dominant. They must have had 15 scoreable chances. Mane put them ahead. Clever short corner taken by Coutinho on the left. The cross-bound Mane, who glanced ahead of past Gomez into the top right corner. 3 minutes later, with half an hour played, Coutinho made it 2 lovely touches from Mane and Firmino in the build-up. Coutinho's shot went through Cabul's legs from the edge of the D and beat Gomez, who injured himself trying to save it. Tilleman's on his first touch.
See if you look, when I put it there,
the net after Chan headed in Lallana's cross. Liverpool, brilliant, surging to the top of the Premier League. Liverpool 3, Watford 0.
Yeah, in the live Premier League table, as Will says, they're a point clear of Chelsea, and Hull City are taking on Southampton. Damien Johnson, half-time. Southampton leads for a Charlie Austin penalty with 8 goals of the season. Maya Yoshida was tripped in the box by Curtis Davis, and Austin.
If you want to see it taken off,
and Will Keane have both limped off with injuries. That
So,
must have been really
Chopper's
poor
better.
in a music atmosphere in front
Now,
of a
what
great
shall we
crowd.
take off?
Booze on the half-time whistle. Southampton by far the better team. Austin tested Newcastle.
Troll. You know from that film Trolls, it was like a tap.
Further, put the pressure on Rochdale.
It can't help itself but fly over another way. How about that be it? Yeah, move the camera right here.
Potentially the biggest shot following that first round weekend here in Kent. No way here at
Just want to, all I wanted to show you is how it's up. This is how it
If you
takes
need to
off.
remind you, these are all the games were at Alfreton Town, Newcastle County, Boreham Wood, North County, where they by goals nil, Hartlepool nil, Stamford nil. And let's take you next to Boyd Arena, Amy Barber, Coventry City taking on Milton.
Well, I kind of threw a sock on the floor. Well, not this monster did. But it just moves. So, see, I'll be controlling the TV probably. That resetted it, so it probably shouldn't. What the hell just touched it? So when it's here, I'll turn the lights off. you know, when it lands, but when it's here, you can't
It's
see
getting
where
better
it
and
is.
better. Whatever the weather's doing, it's not affecting Bournemouth. In fact, it seems to be inspiring them. Because
pushing the
Bournemouth
feet
have just
away.
taken a
Crumbs on the
2-goal
floor.
lead. Wonderful work. They worked it down the right-hand side.
Me.
And Angelo Balanta, the man who set up Morgan Ferrier for the first goal, bashing the second goal. Bournemouth, remember, have never ever beaten a Football League club in the FA Cup, indeed in any competition. And at the moment, they are now leading by 2 goals to 0. Notts County
Not
getting
even
more and more
bleeding
frustrated.
underneath his
I won't
laptop.
repeat what I've just heard John Sheridan say a few moments ago. I wonder
See,
if
for
it's
instance,
natural
a
or
basket
it's
down,
over.
that's a good-
Luke Garrard, the manager. Luke, have you got enough time for a word? What? A 2-0.
Yeah, the conditions now starts to rain.
I'm predicting that.
Yeah.
Apparently, I was. Apparently.
Beforehand and Anglo stopped
I said I would drive
the
anyway.
finish, so hopefully.
No, you snooze.
How do you make sure, though, that
No, you
you're
are
going to
just
get
second best.
that you keep on this? Because you've got to keep this thing to
I
where you
am
want it.
slower. Head is what
You've got to take that on board.
You know,
manage it for the next 10 minutes.
I'm alright, mate.
Thank you very much indeed, Jonathan. You know, we're absolutely loving all the games here, but there's something special about that game because Bournemouth.
Somebody needs to lift the curse off Notts County. You know, we look at
That was
first
sick
touch inside the box
landing.
there. He should be playing high.
That was the best landing yet. I just want it to go like.
Taking a touch and put it across the keeper. It's somebody who should be playing.
Are you looking at you?
That's what I was talking about earlier, Jay.
Yeah,
Because
that's
the lad that's crossed
really
it, Bruno
damn cool.
and Gerardi, I think his name is, and Andrew
Red,
Balanta,
blue.
they were both at QPR when I was there. And they've been training, they've trained with the first team for a longer period of time. They've been number 21s in tough games. They're decent players. Maybe, whether it's attitude
Pulled
or
out.
whether it's the difference
Terrifying.
of that particular
Prince
club.
is terrified
They
of
find
looking
it
at me like,
difficult to
you
get
stop
back into the
that.
league. So they've obviously got down to
No.
Bournemouth, but these are good players. They probably could play at a better level.
Sometimes you need to go down there to come back again and reinvent themselves. You know, don't get through it with respect to
Ready?
teams, but to go down and realise what it takes to be a
Right
professional footballer,
there.
and, you know, hopefully we can do that.
Yeah, well, we are looking to get there because Notts County are going well in the league as well. Sixth
I'm
in the
a
league right
terrible
now.
driver.
They're going out to the FA Cup.
You are so smooth, Jay.
I think
I
that's
am
the
actually.
Global Arena.
You are
We've
so
got
smooth, Jay.
Coventry City, who of course won the cup in 1987 in that memorable final against Tottenham Hotspur, taking on Morecambe.
Oh yeah, Totty. Totty and Arsenal. Tottenham and Arsenal went 1-1. I just wanted Tottenham to get that about 5 million dollars. So the match was a bit low, so now it hovers above the ground. So now we move you to a different location about there. Like that.
We're seeing in this second 45 so far.
So Coventry City going close. It's touch and go at the Burdor Stadium for Coventry. Yeah, we're just over 5 minutes into the second round.
How was that running for you? No, no. I can be smooth and I can be right. So I'm right in the middle. But I'm alright, I'm fine. Got a bit of spin. Got a bit of spin on that, so it must be.
And let's take you straight back to Bloomfield Road. Seth Bennett is watching Clement Secretary. They have a massive tap on their hands at Blackpool.
We're actually touching the ground now.
In the second half, trailing by 2 goals to 0 already. We've seen Blackpool looking pretty composed in the second half. 3 minutes shot from range.
But that.
In the end, was just wide of the target. And taking them into
Well, there you have it, guys. A little Robinson video. I bet you've been wanting. This is obviously back.
He's moved into the midfield. We'll see whether that makes a difference.
I'll make it like take off quite high. Just like Did it about here. Full power with it. So, it's time to charge it like that.
From Paul Pogba. The ball was drifted into the penalty area. Rooney with a little knockback, headed away partially, and then from almost 25 yards out, perfect technique from Pogba on the half volley into the top corner. Keeper no chance. Down in front of me, 7 rows in front. Mourinho out of his seat. It's their first goal in over 5 hours of Premier League football. It's Swansea 0, Manchester United 1.
Well, we saw Paul Pogba arriving at the Liberty Stadium with a gold rucksack. And when you can score like that, you're allowed to wear gold shoes, gold everything, because that is unbelievable.
Sorry,
That's what people are expecting to see from Paul Pogba. I mean, United have dominated the early stage of this game.
my heading's
and Swansea
kicking
have
in
dropped
quite a
off,
lot
but
now, so I'm
when
going
that
to end
comes
the
to on the
video.
edge of the box, the technique, I
Just-
can't say it's high up, it's to the side, so he's got to get his
But
knee
I hope
up,
you enjoyed
get
it.
over the ball.
Leave a fat thumbs up and subscribe.
Goes straight into the top
And
corner.
I
I mean,
will see
unbelievable
you
technique.
That is a phenomenal storytelling.
in the next
One
one.
of the goals of the season so far.
Bye.
Without a doubt, I think, as Jermaine said,
Finally got a video.
to be able to do
I'll
that.
upload it now.
And hit the top corner in the way it does, fantastic.
Pooey, poo. Hello.
Give him 6 months, he'll be saying, yeah, absolutely. Chris Wise is at Clarence Park Stadium. There's been another goal.
Right, that's
Right
uploaded.
there.
Oh, it's recorded. I must have.
And it is League Two,
Yeah,
Carlisle,
sorry.
for the first time in this game, lead.
Bye.
From the left-hand side to the edge of the 6-yard box.